بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 9 in your science books. Hurry up. Okay, dear students, as you all know that we have started Unit 2. This is Unit 2 and the name of Unit 2 is the senses. And in the previous video class, we have studied about that how do we use the senses. In the first, we have learned about sight. Okay, in the previous video class, we have learned about the sense of sight. And we studied that how do we see with our eyes, and we can see colors and shapes. We can see different objects very clearly with the help of our eyes. Very good, students. And now today we will study about the next sense. Okay, students. Today we are reading about hearing. What is this? Hearing. Sunna. Start reading with me. We hear sounds with our ears. Students, this is ears. Okay? What is this? Ears. We hear sounds with our ears. We hear sounds with our ears. We can hear people speaking. We can hear loud sounds and soft sounds. We can hear sounds that are near us and some that are far away. Okay, students, this is also a sense of hearing. We hear sounds with our ears. We hear sounds. हम आवाज़ें सुनते हैं with our ears, अपने कानों की मदद से. We can hear, हम सुन सकते हैं people speaking, लोग जब बातें कर रहे होते हैं. We can hear, हम सुन सकते हैं loud sounds, तेज़ आवाज़ें, and soft sounds, soft, धीमी आवाज़ें. We can hear, हम सुन सकते हैं sounds that are near us, ऐसी आवाज़ें जो हमारे करीब हैं, and some that are far away, और कुछ ऐसी आवाज़ें जो हमसे दूर हैं. Hearing, सुनना. We hear sounds with our ears. We hear sounds with our ears. We can hear speaking, people speaking. We can hear loud sounds and soft sounds. We can hear sounds that are near us and some that are far away. Okay, students, today we are reading about the sense of hearing, sunna. This is also a sense, and with the help of our ears we can hear different sounds. We can hear different types of sounds. We can hear when people are speaking, and we can hear the loud sounds. Do you know, students, what are loud sounds? Yes, who will tell me? Loud sounds means तेज आवाज़ें, like the sound of helicopter or the horn of any truck or the sound of jet engine. And what is soft sound, students? Soft sounds like the sound of a cat and the sound of clock, and there are so many different soft sounds. So we can hear loud and soft sounds with the help of our ears, and we can hear sounds that are near us. Some sounds we are listening which are near us, जो हमारे करीब होती हैं, like people speaking or any other thing, and some sounds that are far away, कुछ ऐसी आवाज़ें जो हमसे दूर होती हैं but we can hear them easily, जिनको हम आसानी से सुन सकते हैं with the help of our ears, अपने कानों की मदद से. So students, in the first video lecture and in this video lecture we have studied about two different kinds of sights and senses, that are sight and hearing. Okay students, now tell me what this boy is doing. ये बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? This boy is listening a song with the help of his ears. Can you see what is this? Yes, tell me. Very good. This is a headphone and this boy is listening some music. ये बच्चा कोई सॉन्ग सुन रहा है with the help of his ears. Okay students, now today we have studied about hearing, सुनना. Okay students, now it's your homework time students, and what you have to do, you have to read this paragraph. Okay students, starting from here and till here, you have to read this paragraph, and then you have to share your video of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, you have to complete your homework. You have to read this paragraph which is on page 9 and then share your video in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class, and we have learnt about two different kinds of senses. We have studied about sight, and in today's lecture we have studied about hearing, sight and hearing. And now in the next video lectures we will discuss further about the senses. Okay students, so complete your homework and share your video in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.